Hi friends, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Martyna, and in today's video I would love to invite you guys to join me for a relaxing journaling session in my creative daily journal, which I am using my 2020 Hobonichi Cousin Avec for. So I am repurposing this planner for my daily journal this year, 2022. I am just trying it out, and so far so good. I'm really enjoying it. But first, as you can see here, I am going to be decorating the end pages of this particular journal just to make them pretty with some beautiful patterned papers from Daphne's diary. And I already decorated the cover, so I covered the front and back cover and also the spine with some collaging, with some scraps of patterned papers that I had, and also stickers, stuff like that. I did not film this process because I honestly didn't know what I wanted to do with this cover, but when I'm going to be making my journal for next year, starting with January, I'm definitely going to be filming the decorating process. So while I am just going to stick this beautiful piece of paper here on the end pages, and then I'm also going to be flicking through this Daphne's Diary magazine. This is not the latest issue, by the way. I believe this is number 3 from 2020, if I remember correctly, so definitely one from like a few months ago or like a quarter ago. But while I am doing it, I just wanted to say that I'm sorry that there hasn't been videos for the past week on my channel. I think my last video, the Christmas journals tutorial, was actually exactly a week ago. So I'm sorry I haven't been posting new videos for you guys. I will say that my mental health is not great. Like at the moment I've had a few more kind of like anxious days with just some anxiety, and when I'm like that, I really don't feel like filming. I don't feel, I don't know, I guess confident enough and stuff like that. So I wanted to actually film a craft therapy video for you guys this week, and I also had a couple of other videos planned that I wanted to film, but because I'm not feeling that well, I'm just showing you guys this video today. I hope you will enjoy it. I filmed it I believe last week or 2 weeks ago. So for me, especially like when I am feeling anxious, I am feeling a bit under the weather, kind of like mentally, I really appreciate having videos filmed in advance and then just having to edit them and add a voiceover, because in those moments, in those days, it's easier for me to record a 15-minute voiceover than to sit down and talk for an hour in a video, which you guys know that I love. I love those long chatty videos. They make me so happy, but they also make me more anxious when I am already feeling anxious. So this is all to say that I am definitely still going to be keeping this longer video format on my channel, because I know you guys enjoy it and I also just really very much enjoy it, but I would also like to introduce more of those types of videos that you guys see right now. When I was just doing something, I turned on the camera, and even if I was feeling anxious at the point of filming it, you know, I had my audiobook on or I had some podcast on, and I was just pretty much relaxing, doing stuff in my journal, and then, you know, I get to edit it and record a voiceover, which I also really like doing. So I hope you guys will enjoy. I think I think what this will do, it will help me to be more consistent with my content, to actually have videos even when I don't feel like I can film an hour-long chatty videos, because in the past, if I was feeling like this, I would just not have a video because I wouldn't be able to film this hour-long chatty video. But right now, you know, I have a couple of videos already filmed, and I can also just sit down, play with my journal a little bit, and have another video filmed for you. So I think this will help me with being consistent with my content, even if I feel unwell or something like that. And just to mention, everything is okay. Everything is absolutely fine. Nothing bad is going on whatsoever. I just go through those phases sometimes. Maybe it's the weather. The weather really went downhill from the beautiful October autumn weather that we had. But yeah, I'm okay. Everything is okay. It's just like I want to share videos with you guys, but I don't always feel I don't know, well enough or confident enough or whatever enough to film those long and chatty videos. So this is all to say that I know I have had a few of this type of videos that you guys are watching right now in the past couple of weeks on my channel. I've been kind of testing it out, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I hope that while I am kind of waiting for my mojo to be back to film those long form videos, I hope you will still enjoy those journaling videos or whatever type of video this will be. You know, today it's journaling in my daily journal, but yeah, basically I mean this type of video, this form of a video where I record it without adding voice, and then I am adding this voiceover afterwards, because it really helps me. So I am kind of, because I am in it for a long game, I don't know if it makes sense, but because I care about YouTube and because I want to do it for years to come, I just am kind of looking for ways to make it easier for myself, because YouTube, and I believe every social media platform which is operated by an algorithm, it does not reward its creators for taking breaks. So you really don't want to take breaks, right? Because then the algorithm doesn't favor you, and because then the algorithm forgets about you, and your channel or your platform suffers for it, and so does your business if you're running a small business. So in order to kind of counteract that, because I know myself, I know that I personally have to take breaks, and I think most people have to, right? So to counteract that, I am looking for ways to make it easier for myself so I can still have content for you guys, because it's important to me. I love sharing content with you guys, even when I'm not feeling, like 100% okay, like right now. So it's great that I can have a video for you guys, because in the past I would just not be able to film a video, so I wouldn't post anything probably this whole week. So yeah, craft therapy videos are also a part of me kind of trying to figure out a system of being consistent with my content while allowing myself time to take breaks. I love craft therapy videos. But sometimes, like I said, I just don't feel like I can just sit down and enjoy filming such a video, because, sometimes I just feel like I don't have anything to talk about, and it stresses me out. And in those moments, I can add those videos. So I'm sorry I'm not talking about what I'm doing in the actual video, but I hope it's kind of like self-explanatory. However, if you have any questions whatsoever about my journal or my process here, please ask in the comments, and I will be happy to get back to you. But for now, I just wanted to chat with you guys a little bit, because if you've been with me for I think any amount of time, that I've been quite open about my mental health struggles, and I'm also like all for normalizing mental health. This is so important to me. Hence the craft therapy videos, hence the conversations about mental health that I have with you guys. I don't know. I think that me feeling like this, or you feeling like this, whatever you are going through, should not be treated different than, I don't know, me having a migraine or me having like a stomach ache. Physical and mental issues should not be like treated so differently. So yeah, I'm feeling under the weather. And so I am taking just a tiny bit of break from filming my long videos. I'm probably going to get back to it next week or something like that. But yeah, I hope that it's okay with you guys. I hope that, like, I think it's better and like more important for me, and also, like I mentioned, for the YouTube algorithm to have consistent videos to still be able to share with you guys, than to have all of my videos like an hour long chatty videos. So let me know what you think about it, and let me know if you would like to see videos like that when I'm not, first of all, I love filming them, I love editing them and adding voiceover and sharing my journals with you. I love this process. So it's very pleasant for me. But I would also love to know if you are okay with this, if there would be more videos like that on my channel, and this would help me. Like, I would love to be able to put out 2 videos on YouTube per week, and then there will always be one additional video, at least one additional video on Patreon. I would love to be able to do it, and this is one of my strategies, so I hope you guys will enjoy these types of videos. Let me know what you think in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this chat. Again, sorry I haven't talked much about what's going on in the actual video, but I just really wanted to honestly chat with you about mental health. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!